Getting rid of duplicate records in Salesforce with Excel Connector. Duplicate records pile up fast, and they make your reports unreliable and your team's life harder. In this video, we'll show you how to clean them up in bulk using the Merge feature in Excel Connector. First, pull your records into the spreadsheet. Click Get Data and enter your query, or use the Reports button if you'd rather start from a Salesforce report. Either way, make sure you include the ID column. It's required for merging. Next, add a column for your master IDs. This tells Excel Connector which record each duplicate should be merged into, the one you want to keep. Populate it with the E of the master record for each row. Now, select the rows you want to merge. Your selection just needs to span those rows, and click the Merge button up in the Tools section of the ribbon. In the Merge dialog, you only need to tell it two things: which column holds the losing record IDs, and which column holds the master record IDs. Here's a handy step. If a losing record has a field value you want to preserve on the master, click Select Values to keep and highlight those values. Whatever you highlight gets copied onto the master record during the merge. Click Go and you'll get a mapping screen. Confirm the ID column and any columns you chose to keep are mapped correctly. If you pulled your data with a SQL query, this is usually automatic. Click OK. An Excel Connector merges the duplicates into your master records. The results appear to the right of your data, including the status of each merge and the IDs of any related records that got moved over. One last thing, the merged records won't disappear from your sheet automatically. Click Refresh in the ribbon to pull back the clean current dataset. And that's it, your duplicates are gone. Watch all Excel Connector tutorial videos to unlock the full potential of your data management.